Just love Eric.
Do it again.
Do it.
Do it again.
Do it. Press it.
Press this angry button.
Oh, they assessed it before it even happened. Doesn't matter. They're mad at you.
Okay, just love on him. Yeah, so you can do that. He's not freaking.
It's okay.
Just pet him now. You don't want him to be stressed.
He's freaking out.
He said, it didn't work for me. I did it to Amos because he was a fat bird and he couldn't get the butt down. He just slips
It's
out.
okay. Come here. Come here.
Step up.
Venture through, young falcon.
Hello.
If he drops a crap load on my.
Where?
I said if he drops one. That's my blanket.
Yeah, he's
Your
going to
water
pet
blanket.
dander all over it.
Still, don't you just love his angry button?
Mm-hmm.
Don't touch
He
me!
doesn't lash out but when he's in the cage behind the bars and you go like that, then he tries to bite and
That's when he's
hiss.
protecting his space inside, but you can do that.
He's like, stay.
What?
Okay, just slow on him now. I think you're.
This is too much for him.
Come here.